Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Python 3.12 on macOS for data science, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Python 3.12 on macOS, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the official Python website at python.org. Once there, click on the Downloads tab at the top of the page. You should see a button that says Download Python 3.12. Click on this button to start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the Python 3.12 installer file. This will launch the installation wizard. Click Continue to begin the installation process. You will be presented with a license agreement. Read through the agreement and click Agree if you accept the terms. Next, choose the installation type. For most users, the default settings are appropriate. Click Install to proceed with the installation. You may be prompted to enter your macOS password. Type in your password and click Install Software. After the installation is complete, click Close to exit the wizard. To verify that Python is installed, open the terminal application. You can find terminal in the Applications folder under Utilities. Once terminal is open, type in the command Python 3 version. Press Enter to execute the command. If installed correctly, you should see a message displaying Python 3.12. Next, to enhance your data science capabilities, install pip. Pip is a package manager for Python. To install pip, enter the command python 3m ensure pip. Press Enter to execute this command. After installation, you can check if pip is installed. Type pip 3 version in the terminal and press Enter. You should see the version number of pip displayed. Now, let's set up a virtual environment for your data science projects. Type in the command python 3m venv myenv to create a new virtual environment. Replace myenv with your preferred environment name. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.